जैसी हस्ती हूँ। ऊधम का ऊधम दिल बिस्मिल, मंगल पांडे का ताव मिले। हे ईश्वर जन्म दोबारा दो तो भारत माँ की छाव मिले। Happy Independence Day to all and very good morning. The esteemed principal ma'am, prestigious chief guest, benevolent teachers and all my school fellows. Today we will mark the other landmark of success by celebrating the 74th Independence Day of our beloved country, India. So I, Anshi Sona, from the core of my heart, welcomes you all on today's occasion on the behalf of entire DPS Badayi family. Freedom of speech, independence to grow, equality to everybody. This is what we celebrate Independence Day for. So with this, I will request our principal ma'am, Mrs. Charul Agarwal, to deliver some speech and guidelines on today's occasion of Independence Day.
Good morning, respected Chairman Sir, distinguished guests, parents, teachers and dear children. Welcome to this auspicious morning of 15th August. On behalf of the DPS Badayi family, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We are extremely proud of ushering into the 74th year of our freedom. 73 years ago, on the intervening night of 14th and 15th August in 1947, after a struggle of centuries, India got freedom from the British rule. Since then, we have been celebrating this day to remember the supreme sacrifices of our freedom fighters who laid down their lives so that the generations to come breathe in a country that has its own government and constitution. We salute these freedom fighters for their selfless sacrifice. Since then, India has come a long way. We emerged as the largest secular democratic republic and are also the fastest growing economy today. We are also the torch bearers of the principles of non-violence and Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. The uniqueness of our country is in its diverse culture and unity in diversity. This year, COVID-19 pandemic has affected the celebrations of Independence Day, but it could not diminish our spirit, excitement and enthusiasm. The country is reverberating with the sentiment of patriotism. The technology provides us an alternative, that is, virtual celebrations and digital platform. COVID-19 pandemic has not permitted us to assemble and celebrate together, but it could not stop us from participating from home. It's very nice to see that a large number of our students have sent their recorded videos of their performances in order to participate in virtual celebrations. This shows their indomitable spirit of patriotism towards their motherland. We applaud their efforts. The world is fighting against an invisible enemy, that is novel coronavirus. COVID-19 pandemic has affected the growth of the world. A substantial number of doctors, health workers and policemen have already laid down their lives fighting this enemy in order to protect us. We salute them for their sacrifices and pay homage on this day. To contribute our share to this struggle, we must follow the guidelines religiously, at least to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Let us take a pledge today that we will serve our motherland by maintaining social distance and wearing masks in crowded places. That is need of the hour also. And that would be our greatest service to our motherland at the moment. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, to celebrate this occasion and to gear up a beautiful start of the show, I would like to invite our little fairies of TPS Badayun for their dance performances.
यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग। यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग। धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, नीली चादर ताने अंबर है। नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है देश रंगीला, देश रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला। देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला। देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला। देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। सिंदूरी गालों वाला सूरज जो करे ठिठोली, शर्मीले खेतों को ढक ले चूनर पीली पीली। घूंघट में रंग पनघट में रंग चम चम चमकीला। देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला। देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला। अबीर गुलाल से चेहरे हैं यहाँ, मुस्कानों की टोली। रंग हंसी में रंग खुशी में, रिश्ते जैसे होली। यादों में रंग, यादों में रंग, रंग रंग रंगीला। देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला। देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
What a beautiful performance by the girls. Thank you so much. Now, as we all know that every child is talented in his own way and also we should appreciate them. So by this, I would like to call Gauransh for musical instrumental performance.
Hello friends, myself Gauransh Gupta, reading class 6th B in DPS Badayun. So I am celebrating Independence Day by playing songs like Hey Mere Watan and National Anthem on piano. So let's go.
Thank
This is what a perfect tribute to our freedom fighters. Now I am calling Ria Arif to deliver a short speech to demark the Independence Day.
A very good morning to all my respected teachers and my dear friends. I, Ria, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We are here to celebrate this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. As we all know that freedom is very, very precious for all of us. And this was the day in 1947 when we got independence, when we got freedom from the British rule. And we are fortunate that our forefathers fought for us and gave us a land of peace. A peaceful life that we are living today is just because of their sacrifice. So many great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and many others devoted their whole life in the service of our nation. And today, India is the largest democracy in the world. And we are one of the most emerging economies in the world, developing rapidly in the field of education, technology, sports and various activities, which couldn't be possible without freedom. So, at the end of my speech, I would like to say that we must be proud to be an Indian and not to forget they sacrificed their whole life to get us freedom. And now it's our time. It's our time to do something significant for our country. Thank you. I love my country, my India.
Thank you so much, Ria. Now come along and let's have a change. The little blooming flowers of TPS Badaयूं will present their performances in front of you. So please give them the appreciation with your applause.
समझ सको तो हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जो बरसे पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, रुक रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी। थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी, रुक रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी। हमें प्यार चाहिए और कुछ पैसे भी, हम ऐसे भी हैं हम हैं वैसे भी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी, उल्टी सीधी जैसी भी है अपनी यही कहानी। थोड़ी हम में होशियारी है थोड़ी है नादानी, थोड़ी हम में सच्चाई है थोड़ी बेईमानी।
That was indeed a lovely performance. The tone of music still tickling my eardrums. Keep it up, children. Now let's move forward and be ready to welcome Nakshatra for a beautiful poem for the freedom fighters.
कविता का शीर्षक है हमारा भारत। भारत देश हमारा है, सब देशों से प्यारा है। शीश उठाई खड़ा मान ले करता इसकी रखवाली है। गंगा यमुना की धाराएं फैलाती हरियाली है। कल कल रहते सुंदर झरने मीठे मीठे गीत सुनाते हैं। झमझम बरस बरस कर बादल धरती की प्यास बुझाते हैं। शीतल मन पवन के झोंके खेतों को लहराते हैं। भांति भांति के सुंदर पंछी मीठी तान सुनाते हैं। जय भारत माता की।
Thank you so much, Nakshatra. We dance for laughter, we dance for fears. We dance for hopes, we dance for tears. We dance for madness, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create dreams. So with this, please welcome our DPS Badaयूं teachers for their beautiful performances.
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी सराया करो कुर्बानी। ठंडे से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम दिन ये घर सुना सुना है। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम। थोड़ी सी दूर मेरी धरती की, मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाराई सी मस्त बन की, थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली धक 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 धक, जिनमें हो जुनून वो बंदे लाल लहू की। ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले, और मोहित रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोहित रंग दे बसंती।
वतन है वतन हमको तेरी कसम, तेरी राहों में जान तक लुटा जाएंगे। फूल क्या चीज है तेरे कदमों में, हम बेटे अपने सरों पे चढ़ा जाएंगे। है वतन है वतन।
Thank you so much, teachers. How captivating it was. A lovely performance by our teachers. Freedom should not be something you have to deserve. It's something that you naturally have, or something that no one can take away from you. So let's celebrate freedom. As all of us know that entire country is in the grip of pandemic COVID-19. It has tried to snatch away the freedom and freeship of our lives. But we all Indians are fighting like a warrior to conquer this virus. So now it's high time to show our gratitude to the Corona warriors by singing some lines for them. So I would request to my school staff for the Corona warriors theme.
जय 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 हो जय 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 जय। फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई, फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान। जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया। जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया। जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।
शान है, इसलिए मेरा भारत महान है। Thank you very much to our school staff. Now I would like to invite Mr. Deepak Gupta sir, our senior coordinator, for the vote of thanks.
Good morning, honorable chief guest, our chairman sir, respected principal ma'am, teachers, parents and dear student. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. I take this privilege to propose vote of thanks as a senior coordinator DPS Badaयूं. It has been a great day. We have had a great performances by our students, and these performances was made by our teachers and our supporting staff. So I would like to pass my thanks to the teachers and supporting staff, and the special thanks to the IT team who made it very glorified. Also, I pass my thanks to each of everyone who is a part of DPS Badaयूं. I'm proud to be a citizen of India and feel responsible to celebrate such a glorious day. I thank every one of you for making this celebration a success. Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much sir for your kind words. Before concluding this function, I, Anshi Sona, has a great privilege to say thanks to our Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Harpreet Singh sir to spare his valuable time to make our function successful. I also pay my thanks to our Principal Ma'am, Ms. Charul Agarwal, for supervising and providing us guidelines for this function. And also my teaching colleagues and school staff who put their shoulder end to end for this function. A big thank you to all. Now, I would request you to all to stand up at your place for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल